This is the jack. Down there is where it's leaking. O-rings 208 B90. This is the big bolt you undo. This is a small bolt you undo. All this does is just hold this in place. This spring is only under pressure when it's down. The O-ring is just in here. There she is. Part facing me in first. Now that's in. This pin back in. Place this back on. The spring just sits in there. Long pin's going to thread in there. Little pin on the other side. Tighten these till they're tight. Just a spanner, I'm not torquing. It's no longer leaking. Really large dead spot in it. Taking the plug out down there. Just use needle nose pliers. I put some hydraulic jack oil that I bought. Tape down here to make the first funnel. The top of a bottle to let me pour it in. Turn your jacking shaft counterclockwise as far as you can go. Jack it a few times and then you get all the air out. You need to take this off if you've lost a lot of fluid. Full mast now with no dead spots. Down here. It's not leaking oil where it was before. It took about 20 minutes of actual work to get it back up and running.